Indeed, Darren, good afternoon to you. It's very cold today, bitterly cold. It's going to stay cold all week. Eventually the wind's easing down by the end of the week. Before then, though, we could well have some sleet and some snow. We've seen a welcome change in the weather today. We've lost the cloudy, damp weather, and instead we've seen some drier air coming in from the east. And with that, the cloud has broken up across many areas, and we've seen some welcome sunshine around as well. Not quite everywhere, though. The cloud is struggling to break up here in the southwest, even the odd drop of drizzle early on this afternoon. And we've also got some cloud feeding in across the northeast of England, across the eastern side of Scotland, and that may well just be thick enough to give the odd light shower. But many places will be dry with some sunshine. Not really helping the temperatures an awful lot, though. Still struggling, 3 or 4 degrees in many areas, and it feels an awful lot colder in that biting wind. Now, overnight, the winds will continue to blow in some cloud across the eastern side of Scotland and northeast England. And after a clear start, we may well see the cloud returning into southern areas of England. A drop or two of rain, even a flake or two of snow here come the end of the night. But for most of us, the shock is the cold weather. It's going to be much colder tonight. A widespread frost. It could be 1 or 2 icy patches, and lowest temperatures of -3 or -4 degrees. So a very cold start for tomorrow. We're going to see a bit of a change across southern parts of England and Wales, with more cloud pushing up from the south, and with that some sleet and snow flurries as well. Nothing to get concerned about just yet. Elsewhere, it's a drier and brighter picture. Again, that central slice up towards western Scotland, seeing plenty of sunshine, and again the northeast of England and eastern Scotland, seeing more in the way of cloud and just the odd light showers. The winds here should be somewhat lighter, but elsewhere it's going to be a windy day, and it's going to feel cold once again. Temperatures, well, 5 degrees in Edinburgh, struggling to get above freezing in Norwich, and when you add on the effect of the wind, it's a day for staying indoors. It'll feel like -10 in Norwich and -7 in Cardiff, so wrap up well. So it's very cold. There's a possibility of some sleet and snow as well, particularly during Tuesday night into Wednesday. A covering of snow over the high ground, in particular of southern England and South Wales. It's something to keep an eye on at the moment. We've got this area of low pressure bringing some warmer air that's pumping into the much colder air wrapped around the area of high pressure. So it's a balancing act at the moment. Looks as though it could be quite wintry, though, across some southern parts of England and Wales on Wednesday. Areas to watch around the Somerset level, South Wales, Gloucestershire, Wiltshire. There could be some icy patches around as well. Elsewhere, though, it's again this brighter weather with some sunshine, a very cold start, and still 1 or 2 showers left in that northeastern corner. Much the same sort of story for northern parts of Britain as we move into Thursday. Further south, we'll see that wintry weather just drifting further north through the Midlands, Wales, and East Anglia to the south, rather cloudy and gloomy. So cold week ahead, windy.